because there's another big space headline happening right now that is going to be influenced by this cold weather, and that is the fact that NASA has Artemis out there on the launch pad because the launch opportunities for Artemis begin in that first weekend in February, just a little bit more than a week away. But take a look at this because there are weather restrictions for launching. And what are the weather restrictions for the SLS rocket? Well, they're hoping to do a wet dress rehearsal this weekend. And according to their documents there at NASA, they cannot initiate fueling or tanking the rocket if the 24-hour temperature at both 132 feet up and 257 feet up is less than 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, let's just go ahead and look at the forecast here. They're hoping to do that wet dress rehearsal this weekend with a low on Saturday night is 27 degrees in Florida. I mean, I think we'd all agree that 27 is cold just about anywhere, but especially in Florida. And on this, anniversary of the Challenger explosion, I think we're all thinking a lot about what cold weather can do to rockets out there on the launch pad. So it'll be really interesting, I think, to see if they go ahead or not with this weekend's planned dress rehearsal. That might determine whether or not we can actually get any of these launch opportunities in for next week. We're all still waiting to hear exactly if NASA is going to try this first weekend in February. And there was a tweet yesterday on Tuesday from somebody that says like who's excited? Why aren't we talking more about this? And NASA did respond to this person on X, and NASA wrote, "We're glad that you're excited for Artemis II. Though February 6th marks the start of launch opportunities, it is not our confirmed launch date. Artemis II currently has multiple opportunities to launch throughout the spring. So as recently as this morning, they would not let on whether or not they are committing to that first launch opportunity on Friday, February 6th. Their official explanation has just been pending the success of the wet dress rehearsal this weekend. So we will all watch that